Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jackie and today I thought I would show you all what I typically do when I'm working on my YouTube channel as a small YouTuber. I love how my cat's like staring at me when I talk to the camera. Hi baby! But yeah, I know it's a journey. I know it takes a while. YouTube's actually such hard work, even though it doesn't seem like it is a lot because everyone makes videos look so easy, but I love it. I love filming videos. I love being creative. And right now is the pandemic and it's a very stressful time, but I really want to make what I love to do into a job. So let's get on to my day. Right now it is a Wednesday and it is 9:23 right now. I usually would start earlier, but I did my hair today and I just wore like a top. My bottoms are pajamas, but I wear a top because I will be filming today, so I want to look at least from the top up professional. But I wanted to show you guys what I worked on with my husband yesterday, and I love it so much. It's in this room right now. Okay, so this is my little recording studio slash office, and I love it so much. This computer hooks onto my iPad, which is what I have, but I'm so happy because look, we have the little foam walls here. This is where I'll probably record my music and maybe voiceovers or maybe in the future a podcast. But I put my equipment here for now, and I will show you in some pictures like how I would like this office to look like. But yeah, this is how it looks so far. All right, so for my work day, I typically wake up in the morning to make breakfast for me and my husband. And today I made avocado toast with eggs. And now I have my cup of coffee, which really gets me started. And while I'm making breakfast, I like to actually listen to some podcasts, something that's either motivating or can help me with my YouTube channel, because it really helps me start off my day in a very positive note, which I need in my life. And right now, I'm going to go ahead and do more of the admin side of my channel. So I'm going to do a little bit of emails. I'm going to go ahead and do some research on my analytics and try to really understand my channel, because that's probably the hardest part right now, is understanding the graphs and the numbers that go with the channel. Then I'm going to do a little bit of engagement with my subscribers and other people that I would love to potentially collab with or work with. And of course, creating a YouTube channel is like creating a business. So there is a business aspect of YouTube. However, when you make a YouTube channel, it's because you are creative and you want to share your message and your art with the world. So that's probably the number one. It should be the number one motive for doing YouTube, or else if it's just about the numbers, if it's just about the money, then I don't think you'd make it very far, because it can be really hard to grow on YouTube. And I know a lot of YouTubers say it takes them 3-4 years to even get to where they want to be. So that's what it takes sometimes. And then I'm going to go ahead and script my video. And then I'm going to start filming around 11 o'clock. And then after I film, I'm going to go ahead and do lunch. And then after lunch, I'm going to go ahead and edit a little bit more. Around 5 o'clock, I'm going to go ahead and cook, work out, and continue doing more of my YouTube job. So let's get started. Right now, I'm actually looking at different companies that I can reach out to. And they're mostly smaller, like local companies that I'm gonna go ahead and reach out to see if I can review their products, not big companies, because I'm very, very small. Alright, sorry for the loud noise. It's my air conditioner because it's hot right now. But I just got a confirmation to do a collab with a YouTuber, so I'm super excited. Since she's another small YouTuber like me, but I think it'll be really fun to get to know each other and see how we're doing on our channel. So I'm excited. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and look at my channel analytics and see what I'm doing right and what I'm doing wrong. So let's take a look. Alright, so this is the last 28 days of my channel, and it looks like the current me versus future me from 2017 still gets views until today, which I find interesting, but I think it's because that was in Lavender's playlist. And I'm also still getting from my old music that I used to post, such as Crush by Yuna and other covers as well. So should I do more music? I'm not sure. I've actually been trying to niche down and focus more on small YouTube motivation and growth. So let me know. I still have a passion for music. And then you can see watch time in minutes and views as well. All right, in the next section, it shows impressions and impression click-through rate. And if you don't know what impressions are, they're basically how many times people see your thumbnail whenever they do a YouTube search. So people saw my thumbnail around 8,662 times. People clicked my thumbnail 3.5% of the time, so that's still pretty low. I am working on making better thumbnails. I am using Procreate and Canva to make my thumbnails look more creative and interesting. So let me know if you need a tutorial on how to make really beautiful thumbnails. And in the last part, I just need to say that if you want to look at your YouTube analytics, go ahead and use the desktop version of YouTube Studio because there are many more sections where you can do research. They give you better insight on what you need to work on. All right, so I just did my YouTube research and now I'm gonna go ahead and script and film the next video that I'm gonna do, and this will take about hopefully 45 minutes to an hour. I hope it doesn't take too long, but I am running behind schedule today. But this is my favorite part. So I'll go ahead and show you the equipment that I use and everything. Again, I don't have the most fanciest equipment right now. I do eventually want to invest in something a little bit more high quality, but I'll show you that later on. All right, so I finished doing the first portion of my video, and that video is actually a current me versus future me video that actually is performing very well on my channel. Today, I'm gonna go ahead and film in my room. I really have to set the mood though because this takes a while, so oh, look how pretty. Oh, I love it so much. I've never filmed during the daytime, but look how beautiful the lighting is. I absolutely love it so much. Let me go ahead and I'm just gonna go ahead and clear my space. And I don't think I need any additional lighting today, honestly. Oh, I think it's so cute. It looks so fresh. Absolutely in love with this, with my room right now. I love it when the windows are open because it just makes it feel like very minimalist vibes. I love it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and film the intro and outro of my video. Hi beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. Hi beautiful people, my name is Jackie and welcome back to my channel. Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jackie. So this is how I do my thumbnails. I basically just pose in front of the camera multiple times, and then when I look back at the footage, I just see which one I like the best, and I go ahead and screenshot that. Alright, so I just finished my intro and outro for my video, and now I just have to go ahead and voice over the last part of my video, which is just like the whole informational side. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that in my studio. I swear, this girl is looking at me like I'm crazy. Well, she was, not anymore. Hi, baby. Okay, so let's go inside. Here is my script. And then here is the recording session. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. Hello, this is me currently as the 2020. Okay, I didn't like that. Okay. Hello, this is me as the 2020 Jackie. I'm feeling vibrant and more peaceful and in charge. I felt like I heard a lot of things in the background, so I'm gonna see how it sounds on my phone, if it's better, so BRB. Alright, so the phone was a lot better than the iPad, so I just recorded on my iPad, and yay! I am done! I am done with my video. So now it goes on to editing, but first I am so hungry right now, it's 2:51, so I have to make myself some lunch, and I cannot wait to eat. So it's lunchtime right now. I'm gonna go, I have some rice here that I made, some brown rice, but I'm gonna go ahead and make some fish. Hopefully feel more nourished because right now I'm starving. What would you guys think if I did a little music video on, oh, this is not my flower, whoops. If I did a musical video on one of the waitress songs because I love singing What's Inside. I love singing Opening Up, Letting the Day In. I don't know, I really want to do like a music video again because I love singing, as you all know. My hands pluck the things I know that I'll need. I take the sugar and butter from the pantry. I add the flour to begin what I am hoping to start. Then it's down with a recipe and bake from the heart. Sugar and butter and flour and butter. What's inside? Everyone wants to know what's inside. What a mess I'm making. The day starts like the rest we've seen. Another carbon copy of an old routine. Days keep coming, one out, one in, they keep coming.
Exfoliate and moisturize with our indulgent vanilla sugar scented duo.
When he knows me, he's only disappointed. Woo! That is a hard song to sing, I'll tell you that. Alright, let's see what this tastes like. I usually like to eat this raw because I love raw fish, and this is sushi grade fish, which means that it is safe to eat raw. It's so good. Wow, I love it. Okay, sorry the air conditioner's on now, but time has passed. I did my home things, cooked a little bit more, and now hubby's home. Yay! And so now we're just gonna chill for a little bit. And let me show you how I edit real quick. So this is my setup. I'm gonna go ahead and edit right now. As you can see, this is my screen. I put all the footage in for my day. I use LumaFusion to edit. So if you need any advice on how to edit on LumaFusion, let me know. And I will say that it takes around 3 to 4 hours to film a video, but I'll probably have this video up on Friday.
Testing in GarageBand. Testing in GarageBand. Testing in GarageBand.
How does it sound? One ear only. No, it's good. Okay. This is what it normally is like. I know that if you're monetized and you have a manager and all that, probably is a different story, but really trying to get up and coming with this channel. And this vlog is just for all of you who want to start YouTube, who want sort of an idea of what it's like to film, edit, and all that during a typical day. All of you upcoming YouTubers out there, I feel you, and comment down below if you are new to YouTube. Let's be friends, and I wish you all well, and that you all have success with your channels, because it is so amazing to have a YouTube channel. So I will all see you later. Bye. Princesses, bye bye, baby.